So now we are going to discuss about volcanism. It's a hot topic, volcanism. Volcanism. So volcano erupts from the fissures. First of all, we have to idea about the fissures in the earth's crust through which molten lava and gases. This is the fissure type of structure. So here the molten lava and gases. So lava and gases will erupt from this. Okay, so volcanic process, the less dense crust float above the denser mantle. So this is the denser and this is the less dense. So this will float around that, and the mantle contains a weaker zone called asthenosphere. Here is known as the asthenosphere. Okay, this is the asthenosphere with molten rock material. Here is the molten rock material. Okay, the molten rock material called magma. So it is known as magma, and magma opens the crust and henceforth flow the lava. So here if this is comes in the surface, this will call it lava. The continuous flow of lava result larger volcanic mountain, and this is will be larger and larger and larger. Very simple. Okay. Volcano exert lava flow pyroclastic debris. What is that? Pyroclastic debris and volcano bombs, bomb, ash, dust and gases will be there. So acidic lava. Gases include CO2. First of all, CO2, nitrogenous compound, sulfur compound and minor chlorides, chlorine also, and argon and hydrogen also. These are the gases. And now we are discussing about acidic lava. Acidic lava is the light color. The color is light color, and light elements silica is there. Okay, and flow slowly with heavy explosion. So there is the explosions. And from steep cone volcano. So this is the steep cone volcano. So this will be flow from that. Basic lava is brightly colored, rich in iron and magnesium. It is rich in iron and magnesium. Okay, and flow smoothly without explosion. In basic, no explosion. So explosion will not be there, but from wider volcanoes. So there will be the wider volcano and flat. So dome will be flat in the basic. Okay, so these are the volcanoes. Now we're discussing about types of volcano. So types of volcano based on the periodic eruption. So active volcano is a volcano which erupts frequently. It is Mount Etna, Mount Helena. So these are the example. Dormant volcano is the volcano which are known as erupt and has sign of eruption in future. So that is Kilimanjaro. And extinct volcano is volcano without any active sign. Okay, these are the examples. Now shield volcano based on forms. First is shield volcano. Shield volcano is known as the largest of all the volcano in the earth, mostly made up of basaltic lava. It is basaltic lava, and those volcanoes are not in steep. It is not in steep, and they are characterized by the low explosion, and lava moves in the form of fountain and cinder cone. It is cinder cone. Okay, now composite volcano. Second one is composite volcano. Composite volcano is eruption of cooler and more viscous lava. It is more viscous and also called the stratovolcano. It is known as the stratovolcano volcano, and often result in explosive eruption, and no explosive eruption will be there. Third is calderas. Calderas are most explosive. It is known as calderas. Okay, and collapse on themselves rather than building any tall structure. Collapse depression are called the calderas. Okay, fourth is flood basalt. Flood basalt are these volcano outpour highly fluid lava. Highly fluid. Highly fluid is which one? Flood. Flood province. Okay, flood basalt. It is highly fluid and long distance that can be go, and around 50-meter thickness is also more. Deccan Traps of Maharashtra plateau is the larger flood basalt. Now mid-oceanic. Mid-oceanic. Mid-oceanic is volcano in the oceanic areas. These are the oceanic areas. Okay, now distribution of volcano. Most volcanoes are found in three well-defined belts. One is the circum-Pacific belt. Circum-Pacific belt. There is mountain of South America, Japan, Aleutian Island of Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, and New Zealand. These are the circum-Pacific zone. Okay, and here also we can say mid-world mountain belt. Mid-world. Now mid-world are Alps in the Europe and Asia Minor and Himalaya region is the mid-world. And third is African Rift Valley. African Rift Valley is the Himalaya. Third one is that. Okay, volcano in the India. Now we are discussing about the volcano in the India. So India, there is only one dormant volcano. This is Andaman and Nicobar. Narcondam. And Bering is the active volcano, only one. Okay, volcano occur along coastal mountain are known as mid-ocean, and most of the active volcano found circum-Pacific region, Pacific Ring of Fire, and most of the volcano in the Africa Rift Valley is extinct, and Mount Cameroon is the only active volcano in the Africa. Mount Cameroon. Okay, so this whole discussion